Good morning, Sarah and Roger. Well, a cloudy start to our weekend. A lot of cloud around, in fact, quite a grey day. But today, very different feel. It's going to be much brighter. We've got high pressure overhead. One thing you will notice, though, it is a little bit chillier than what we've been used to over the last few days. It's been balmy mild to end the week. Certainly Friday, 14 degrees across the southeast.
Morning, Stav. Gosh, was that someone up bright and early getting the sunrise in that picture?
This is actually a library picture, actually, Roger, because there weren't that many photographs in the Weather Watchers yet. They'll be up soon taking some good photographs similar to this one, though. Good morning to you both.
Hello. The weather over the next few days is looking pretty quiet thanks to an area of high pressure that's built in. And this has brought a real change in our weather conditions. Yesterday we had extensive cloud across the country. Today, well, there's barely a cloud in the sky for England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Further northwards in Scotland, OK, there is a bit more in the way of cloud, just working in around the northern edge of our area of high pressure. That's what the sunshine looks like in Northumberland. Notice there is a little bit of high cloud in the sky, making the sunshine hazy here.
Hello there, good evening. Blue sky and sunshine today. The sunshine hazy at times with some high cloud through the afternoon. We are now into colder feeling air.
Hello there, very good evening to you. I hope you've had a lovely weekend. It certainly has been a real step change in conditions yesterday to today. Much colder, much clearer and brighter for most of us.
Hello again, a very good evening to you. Well, the sunshine's here to stay for now, lasting right the way through into the start of the new working week. But that said, our temperatures get back to normal too. We're looking at frosty starts, a return of some patchy mist and fog overnight as well, with high pressure pretty much plonked directly overhead. Now,
hello again. Well, it's certainly been a weekend of two halves. Take yesterday's weather. The satellite picture from Saturday shows extensive cloud across the country, whereas today it's been, well, a lot sunnier, particularly across England, Wales, Northern Ireland and at times the south and east of Scotland, enjoying some brighter conditions as well. There have been some areas of high cloud in the sky, like here in Pembrokeshire, just made the sunshine a little on the hazy side at times. But despite the sunniest skies working in today, it's actually been quite a bit cooler. Temperatures dropping by around about 4 degrees Celsius in places and closer to average for this time of the year.
Good evening and thanks, Sean. Let's take a quick look back at January first of all, which was the third sunniest on record. But temperature-wise, nothing really remarkable about average for most of the UK, and indeed the rainfall was about average, as you can see from the whites here on our map. But that doesn't tell the whole story. There was extensive flooding, of course, to start January because it had a wet December as well, a wet start to January. It's the high pressure later in the month that levelled off the temperatures and the rainfall. So it is a relatively quiet weather picture through the week with some subtle changes day to day. Notice that frost and fog, that's a concern, and that potentially windy spell of weather midweek.